Quite a lesson for our anti-heroes, I'm so happy Rick and Teddy discovered that the insect world is a marvelous place. Oh, look! 2 bugs about to be joined in matrimony. From the moment he first spied her, he wanted to make that girl his happily wedded wife. Uh-oh, there's a fly in the ointment. Marrying a Black Widow could make things a bit sticky. Oh dear, pardon me if I seem a little antsy, but my little friends are being antisocial. But then again, why make a mountain out of an anthill? Remember, don't step on the ants. They might make you say, Uncle.